What is going on, legends? I bought myself a Calais. So you might have seen this on the channel before, and if you haven't, I'll put a link to the work that I've done on this car before at the end of this video, so you can go back and watch that. Because I originally actually bought this car because it has bagged rear coilover front, which I did, and I was going to rip it all out and put it in my Stato. Since getting the car and realizing it's got low Ks for the age and it's pretty good condition, I'm thinking I'm going to keep it. So I've been wanting to build something crazy, like a big power, and obviously a big part of my following is Commodores. Big Commodore man myself, been in Holdens my whole life. So I'm going to be building a clubby mock-up because I figured if I go and spend like a VX clubby these days, you know, really good one, between 40 and 80k, I'm not going to spend that sort of money on a car and then start putting bags in it and custom trim and turbos and stuff like that. So I just thought, no, start off with this. Yes, it's only V6, so you know, but it's yeah, I'm going to put the clubby kit on it. I'm going to go up to probably, well, you guys can let me know, but yeah, I'm going to go to a custom trim joint and get a full custom trim in it, black roof lining. Yeah, I've already got some Simmons next door for it. Obviously it's already got bags and coilovers, so that side of it's done. And then I'm going to drop an LS in it. I'm actually thinking an LQ9 at this stage, which is a steel block, cast iron block engine. Yeah, so we'll do the LQ9 and then, which is a 6 litre, and then do probably twin turbos on it just because they look cool. But unless someone talks me around to thinking that single turbo is a better option, which I'm fairly sure as far as power it's better, but twin turbo LS would be pretty sick. Yeah, so that's what this car's going to be. But anyway, for now we're going to get this thing on the road. So I've just bought it. It does have some rego. It's been transferred into my name, but now I need to get a roadworthy on it so I can finish the transfer, and then we can start doing mods. We'll be doing some roadworthy work in this video, then I might start, if I can get to it, depending on what I have to do and how long this video ends up being, maybe we'll start doing some mods in this video, because I have already bought a body kit for it, but it's pretty rough, so we're gonna have to do some repairs and stuff on the body kit, which might be in this video as well. But anyway, let's get into it. So I bought a body kit for my VX and it is rough. And when I say it's rough, I mean it's rough. It is in bad condition, but it was very, very cheap. And I thought, hey, I like projects, I like fixing things up, so why not give it a crack. But yeah, probably everyone else would think, why wouldn't you just buy a brand new body kit so you don't have to muck around with all that. But anyway, a bit of a sweat equity and you have a good body kit in the end. But yeah, I'll show you the body kit in a second. I'm about to take it outside. It's just a bit dirty, so I thought I'm gonna give it degrees and a wash just to get as much dirt and stuff off as I can before I start doing the repairs. Because once you start doing the repairs, it's a lot harder than just cover it in water. So yeah, we'll get it nice and cleaned up now, and then it can dry. And then yeah, during the week I'm gonna start doing the fiberglass repairs and get it fixed up. I might even start having a crack at it today if it dries off quick enough. But yeah, I'll need to make sure the water's all gone before we start doing that. Anyway, let's get into it.